Hi guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your iPhone is not updating the software. I'm going to show you some simple steps. You can perform these steps to fix the issue. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to the setting app on your iPhone and try to go to the general and try to go to software update. As you can see, it's checking for update, and make sure right now I'm on the airplane, that's why nothing is popping up. So just try to connect to the Wi-Fi, and now I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, and now I should see the software update. Just wait for a moment. So it says my software is up to date. If let's say if it doesn't show, so just try to connect to the different Wi-Fi and it can also fix the problem. So just try to connect different Wi-Fi and just try to go to the software update, and you should see the software update. If it doesn't work for you, what you can do is next step, what you can do is just try to shut down, slide to power off, and reboot your cell phone and try to update your software. And if it also doesn't work for you, just try to reset all settings. And sometimes there's a software issue as well, so when you reset all the settings to the default settings, it might fix the problem. Okay, so these are 3 steps which you can perform to fix the issue. If these 3 steps doesn't work for you, the final step is you can just go to the iTunes. You can just connect your device to your iTunes and just try to update your device through the iTunes. It's that simple. Hope you like this video, guys. If any of them works for you, please let us know in the comments below, and thank you very much, and see you next time.